This extra large stainless steel litter box is seriously built for big cats. It's roomy enough for Maine Coons and multi-cat homes, with 23.7 inches of length and over 12 inches of height. The high-sided enclosure helps contain digging, spraying, and litter scatter. Especially great if you've got a high-peeing cat. It's made from thick stainless steel and BPA-free plastic, which means no odors, no staining, and no rusting. Plus, it's way more durable than plastic trays. The smooth non-stick interior makes it really easy to scoop and wipe clean, and the included scoop and mat add even more convenience. This box doesn't come with a lid, but the tall surround and overlapping design act like a protective wall, keeping everything sealed and leak-proof. It also comes with 6 non-slip stickers to keep the litter box securely in place, even during the most enthusiastic digging sessions. And with a large capacity of up to 37 liters, one full fill of litter can last a single cat up to 30 days. It's practical, sleek, and designed for long-term use. Whether you've got one big cat or a multi-cat household, this stainless steel litter box makes cleanup simple. Just a quick rinse and you're done. Thanks to the brand for sending me this setup.